Tranquility awaits as you pull up the wooded meandering drive to this beautiful log home perched on the hill. This custom-built log home is nestled on nearly 34 acres of rolling farmland and woods. Home features 4 bedrooms, 4 full baths, main floor master bedroom with large bath and walk-in closet, main floor laundry/mudroom with exterior door and another full bath. Nice open kitchen with granite countertops, beautiful hickory cabinets with easy close cabinet doors and drawers, and kitchen island with bar top seating. Great room features cathedral ceilings, stone fireplace, and open to second-level loft. Upstairs you will find the loft area family sitting room, 2 more nice-sized bedrooms and another full bath. Full unfinished basement with plenty of dry storage, second washer hookup for all the farm work clothes, and plenty of room to add additional living area. Outside on the amazing wrap-around porch is where you will want to stay and enjoy the beautiful mountain views, the peace and tranquility, and the wildlife. There is also a large garage/workshop with plenty of room for all your hobbies and toys. Heated and insulated, concrete floor and high ceilings provides the space you need to work on anything you would like. All of this and situated on nearly 34 acres of privacy. Round pen and 2 smaller storage buildings do not convey. All information taken from a third-party source, courthouse/tax records, and to be verified by the buyer/buyer's agent. Drawn-in lines are approximate. Some elements, fires in fireplaces, twilight shading, lighting, etc., have been added/modified digitally. Rooms